Imagine a place where luxury meets nature. Welcome to Bertam Resort and Water Park. The biophilic design and grand reception create an unforgettable first impression. Outside, the serene water vistas and stylish pool deck invite ultimate relaxation. The water park is pure magic, thrilling rides, wave pools, and endless fun. Culinary delights steal the show, from authentic Malaysian flavors to gourmet international creations. The rooms, spacious, elegant, with luxurious bathtubs and plush comfort. Bertam is an experience worth every moment. Follow me for more travel gems like this.